Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nate, and today I have, hopefully, fingers crossed, one of my best vlogs coming out today. I don't know if it's my best yet, but I'm hoping it is because it was really my favorite to film. So, without further ado, this is my Florida vlog, and I'm not uploading this to brag or to do anything of that nature. This is just to kind of show you what I do when I go to Florida. So it's also very choppy. I didn't actually film like too many like me talking. It's just a lot of cinematic shots, so there'll be a lot of like subtitles telling you what it is basically. Also, it kind of just cuts out really. Like I don't show that it's the next day or anything. So I'll be trying to narrate that maybe a little bit, see what's going on. But yeah, so let's get into this. Alright, so we made it on the plane. It's 6 a.m. right now, I think, and we're headed to Naples.
No, I got it.
Okay, so long story short, we made it to Naples, to the beach back there, and I didn't film like any of the traveling. I like put the like screen down in Chicago and then opened it in Naples. That was kind of cool. But I haven't really filmed anything else. I got a picture of Joe's Diner. I forgot to take a picture of my food, but it was really good. Yeah, I got pancakes and with chocolate chips and strawberries and whipped cream, and it was amazing. So I recommend Joe's Diner. But yeah, so I guess the rest of this will just kind of be like swimming and stuff like that. I'm not really quite too sure, but yeah, let's get into it.
Darling, send me, I know, send me, darling, send me, I know, send me, honest to do, send me, honest to do, send me, honest to do.
Day 3, and me and my mom are going to rent some bikes to ride for an hour, and then later on we're going to the pool and the beach and stuff, so yeah. Alright, so we got my bike, and my mom is going to get a helmet because apparently, you probably can't ride that, but helmets are required by law for kids under 16, which is just great. She went to go grab me a helmet in the nice fancy resort. There it is, called La Playa. It's pretty expensive. We're not staying there. We're staying at a condo down the street, but they have these bike rentals, so my mom decided we should go get one. We did. So she's going to grab a helmet. She's going to be back, and then we're going to ride some bikes. to dinner.
Darling, you send me, send me, send me, darling, you send me. I know you send me, darling, you send me.
Okay, so now we're swimming, so yeah, let's get a time lapse or something.
Honest to do. Send me, honest to send me. I know you.
Alright, so we just got finished with the beach and the pool, and now we are in my grandpa's convertible. Hold on my phone. Anyway, so now we're headed to a couple stores, and then it's dinner, I guess. Mask and then dinner. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the car. It's a Cadillac 2008, I believe. Cadillac XLR. It is a beaut. So beautiful. Anyway, now we are here at Best of Everything. And I don't know, it's a clearance center, so let's go check it out.
Send me. I know you. Send me. Darling, you. Send me. I know you.
Alright, so we made a quick stop at Chase, and now we're back on our way.
I'm not gonna go a lot warmer.
Alright, so we're at our last stop before we go back to the condo. We just saw this Bentley park and put its top back up. Super cool. Anyway, now we're headed to, what's it called? Some place, I don't know. So yeah. Alright, so we made it to a little shop place, and we're going to eat dinner at the pub here. Get the lights on.
Send me. I know you. Send me. Darling, you. Send me. Darling, you.
Alright, so we just had dinner. It's not focused, but we just had dinner, and now we're here to play some mini golf. Let's get into it.
Darling, you. Send me.
Okay, so we're headed to the beach for our final sunset. Anyway, let's get down there.
Darling,
That's a cool shot.
Oh, that is cool. Flip the camera and show you the final, I don't know, view of the sunset. Alright, so we found this guy, and it's a hungry hippo. It's got the little like things down here, and he's like big enough to chomp it. So good artwork by whoever is in this building.
send me.
Okay, so it is the last day we're here, and right now we're at a church that my brother used to work at, sort of. Long story. But we're in the weight room, and they're like, I don't know, family center if you want to call it. So I'm gonna flip the camera and show you. All the weights down there, and then up here's like a hangout space. Got these weird chairs. I didn't even know what they were at first, but yeah, and then TVs, ping pong table, and then if you come over here, you have Home Tree Island, and then over here, a lake, or something, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna be here for the next while, so yeah. Alright, this is gonna be my last video here in Naples. Actually, maybe walking out will be my last one. This is the last one, like, where I'm talking, I guess. Next ones will be cinematic, but wow, it's so bright out. What the heck? You know, it's Florida and all, but whatever. So, we've been hanging out here at the church for, I don't don't know, we got here like 10-ish, so 5 hours. Been working on homework and doing a ton of stuff. And my mom called an Uber. She scheduled one yesterday, so he's on his way. And I know it's a he this time. I don't know if I've talked about him before yet, but yeah, there's also this bocce court, so I just put it on 5, but yeah, 2 bocce courts. But yeah, so we're leaving the church here, and we're heading off to Fort Myers Airport, and we're heading back off to Chicago. And I don't know, every year this is the worst part, just, you know, saying goodbye and having to leave this place that, you know, we all love so much. So yeah, and usually we'll stay for 10, 11 days. This time it's only 6. So it's like, you know, not that much time here. But anyway, yeah, I guess I've loved Florida. I've loved the condo we stay in. And now it's time to head back.
Darling,